Om Dhyeyasada savithrumandala Madhyavarthi Narayana Sarasijasana Sannivishta Keyooravan Makara vankireeedi Hari hiranmaya vibhutyada shankha chakra Om Mitraya Namaha. Inhale and exhale, prayer position. Om Ravaye Namaha. Inhale, bend back. Om Suryaya Namaha. Exhale, bend forward. Om Bhanave Namaha. Inhale, right leg back and look up. Om Khagaya Namaha. Hold the breath, left leg back and body should be parallel to the ground. Om Pushne Namaha. Exhale, knee down, chest down and forehead down, buttock should be up. Om Hiranyagarbhaya Namaha. Inhale, head up and chest up. Om Marichaye Namaha. Exhale, buttocks up. Om Adityaya Namaha. Inhale, right leg forward. Om Savitre Namaha. Exhale, stand up and bend forward. Try to touch the forehead or knees. Om Arkaya Namaha. Inhale, bend back. Om Bhaskaraya Namaha. Exhale and relax. Om Mitraya Namaha. Inhale and exhale, prayer position. Om Ravaye Namaha. Inhale, bend back. Om Suryaya Namaha. Exhale, bend forward. Om Bhanave Namaha. Inhale, left leg back and look up. Om Khagaya Namaha. Hold the breath, right leg back, body should be parallel to the ground. Om Pushne Namaha. Exhale, knee down, chest down and forehead down, buttock should be up. Om Hiranyagarbhaya Namaha. Inhale, head up and chest up. Om Marichaye Namaha. Exhale, buttocks up. Om Adityaya Namaha. Inhale, left leg forward. Om Savitre Namaha. Exhale, right leg forward, stand up and bend forward. Om Arkaya Namaha. Inhale, bend back. Om Bhaskaraya Namaha. Exhale and relax.